Welcome to the course of Finite Element Analysis. In this particular course, we'll be learning how the elements and element stiffness matrix, then global stiffness matrix, they are formed, then how to calculate the nodal deflections, how the discretization can be done, and then using those particular concept, we have to find out the reactions at the support, then deflections, and how this particular given element stiffness matrix can be formulated easily. Now, using the element stiffness matrix, you can easily formulate the global stiffness matrix. That also you have to learn in this particular course. Then how the simple matrix multiplication can be used to formulate the global stiffness matrix. Now, basics are always important, and therefore in this particular course, we are concentrating on each and every minute aspect of solving the examples. You will come to know how the elimination approach can be used for solving the equations simultaneously and finding out the nodal displacements. So hope that you will enjoy this particular course. We'll be solving the examples on the spring system. Then we will take into consideration how to solve examples on the bar element. Then obviously we'll see the proper discretization of the structural elements. So various structural elements are considered, and like one-dimensional element, two-dimensional element, and so beam element and truss elements are the two-dimensional elements. Those are also considered over here, and you will learn how to solve the examples on structural analysis using finite element analysis, that is the manual method. While you learn this particular method, you will be able to understand how the boundary conditions can be applied, and then using those boundary conditions, you can easily solve the examples on the given particular structural element. Hope that you will enjoy this particular course. Thank you very much.